JinkoSolar is a solar manufacturer. Our goal is to be the most trusted solar provider in the U.S. And we've started here in Jacksonville to build a U.S. footprint in our pursuit of that mission.
We run 24/7, and that is more than 1 million solar panels that we produce per year. It's equivalent to powering over 65,000 homes here in Florida and U.S.
Having JinkoSolar in Jacksonville has been an amazing addition to our manufacturing landscape. They've got almost 300 employees here, and for every employee here, it accounts for 3 other employees out in town. So it's 1,000 jobs into Jacksonville.
And we find that Jacksonville, Florida especially, with its ports and its available workforce and its aggressive nature for innovation, and you marry that to our robotics and our AI, it's been a great partnership between what we could build here and what we already knew from our past.
Although we focus on producing high-quality items, our main focus is our employees and their safety and their happiness and their growth within the company. We always want to make sure that if anybody is interested in growing within the company, that they are getting that opportunity.
I tell you, I get a chance to talk to a lot of the employees, and walking around, you talk to people, they all are proud of what they're doing. They want to tell you about what they're doing, and they love the company, and they know the impact they're making on our environment and our community.
I believe in the importance of what I'm doing here. I believe that solar energy can definitely usher in a new age of power and renewable resource. I hope to take the opportunities that they've given me and move up with them. I want to better myself, and if Jinko continues to give me that opportunity, I will run with it.
When I joined Jinko, I'd already been a veteran of 35 years in manufacturing. And it was very exciting to join a company that is ready to grow. It wants to build, has the innovation, has the ambition, has the high quality people, and has found high quality places to start their growth.
I'm so happy that this job was here and available, and I couldn't have picked a better place than JinkoSolar. And I'm glad that I am one of their employees and that they care about me and I care about them.